Today I'm going to show you how to do a zoom in and out transition in DaVinci Resolve. This works pretty much with anything, music videos, commercial and social media. So let's get started. Let's create adjustment layer and put above our videos. Make it 10 frames from the left side and as well 10 frames from the right side. Once you're done, select it and go in Fusion. Here, select the Media one and open the tools by holding Shift and Space. Type Transform, but make sure that you will select this one without XY. Now, put your playhead in the middle of the clip, keyframe the zoom, and go all the way at the beginning of the clip. Also keyframe the zoom. And one more time on the end of the clip, make a keyframe. Now let's go in the middle keyframe and put the zoom 1.3. Scroll down to animation and adjust the motion blur all the way up. Now go in spline, click on transform, select all of them by holding Ctrl A and press S to make a curve. And there we go, we are done. Now let's review it.